आमी फक्त आतां ही 20 वर्सां जालीं 20-25 वर्सां जालीं आनी हें लक्षांत घेवपाक जाय सगळ्या लोकांनी. आमी फक्त 20-25 वर्सां जालीं हांगा फक्त तो सेक्युलर कम्युनल डिबेट घेवन बसल्यात. फक्त क्रिस्तांव मुस्लीम हिंदू क्रिस्तांव ही जात ती जात फक्त ते एब्सोल्युटली युजलेस रबीश. जावं काँग्रेस सरकाराचो फ्रॉम दिगंबर कामत टू बीजेपी सरकार नाव देर इज नो कम्युनल सेक्युलर देर. What is the problem with the Christian group in this particular BJP government? Every single Catholic minister is the one who is out destroying Goa. You take Marvin Godino, you take Michael Lobo, I'll give you full names. These are the people in the forefront of destroying Goa. So what are we talking about communalism, secularism? There's enough power in the Catholic minority. The problem is only about this land use. There is not a single person who stands up for Goa's interests as far as land use, protecting its heritage, protecting its environment, and protecting its future identity. So whether it is Congress or BJP, stop arguing about communalism and secularism. Talk only about Goa.